at that beautiful, beautiful sunset. What a special time to make Hainanese inspired braised chicken with barley risotto. You will need a chicken, onions, ginger, organic pearl barley, some brown button mushrooms, Szechuan peppercorn. What is this? Oh, mustard seeds. This is mustard seed. Righto. Next, you want to get a baking tray like so. Onions, ginger, chop these up, put them there. There we go. Boom. And then you want to do the same with the garlic. Chop them up roughly. And toss all these into here. Now, I'm gonna slice these chicken up and I'm gonna cut them into pieces for braising, and also I'm gonna take the backbone off and make it into a stock to cook the barley risotto. So now I've got all of these pieces here. I'm just gonna chop them up into smaller pieces with this and make a quick stock out of it. Fill it up with water and then toss the whole thing in. And then you can get some ginger, slice them up, chop them there, wait for it to boil, and there you have it. Now, before you want to braise your chicken, salt them up and then sear them on a pan so they're nice and caramelized and beautiful looking before you braise the hell out of it. Put some oil in, wait for it to heat up, and then grab your chicken, seal them skin side down. Woo. Woo. There we go. And then when these are nice and brown, toss them in there. There we go. Right, remember our chicken stock that we're making? You want to put some water here into here. You want to fill this up all the way halfway between to the meat. There we go. That's good enough. Hey, heat your oven up to 220 degrees Celsius and put your chicken in there. Toss it in there. Ooh, it's hot. Add more water, then boil it again. Oh, hey there. I just want to remind you guys of my cooking masterclass called Cook Like a Chef. I can teach you how to decorate your plates of food and elevate your original recipes to new lengths. And I'll teach you how to make new friends along the way. So if you want to have an experience of a lifetime cooking with me, just let me know in the comment section below or contact me via my Facebook page or my Instagram in the links below. So after half an hour to 45 minutes, your chicken is done from the oven. Take it out. And there you have it. Some beautiful chicken braised. You want to leave it out there for a little bit to let it cool down. Let it chill out. Now for the barley. I've got about 2 cups of barley here, some chopped onions and garlic. Grab a skillet, heat it up, put some oil in there, and toss your garlic and onions inside. So once your onions and garlic are nice and caramelized like that, you want to toss your barley in. Add about a cup of Chinese cooking wine, and keep stirring. Make sure you get your chicken stock, and a ladle, scoop by scoop. It's looking good. Alright, after an hour of cooking the barley risotto, it's finally done, and this is how it looks like. An hour, a whole hour. Alright. Beautiful, chunky, thick flavor, and it's supposed to be soft when you bite in it, not too chewy, just soft, and it almost melts in your mouth. It takes a long time. Take about a few knobs of butter, toss it in, and just mix it around. Get the butter infused and coat the entire dish in butter. It will be glistening with butter. Now, for your mushrooms, just cut them in half. Now, get the pan on, get it hot. Get about 2 tablespoons of Szechuan pepper. Toss them in. Do the same with mustard seeds. Add a little bit of butter and just saute them. Next, you want to slice up this chicken. So now, we've got our chicken, our chili oil, our herb oil, risotto, mushrooms. Let's plate this baby up. Alrighty, and there we go. How to make a Hainanese style inspired braised chicken with risotto. I'm gonna eat this. So don't forget, like, subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, please like it, and then I'll make more dishes for y'all. And if you want me to make something, please comment on the comment section below and I'll try to make it for you. Ho, ho.